Good day to one and all. COVID-19 phase will be written as Black Days period in the history. Temporary closure of educational institutions as a primitive measure from COVID-19 has emerged various challenges in the education field for both teachers and learners. I, Dr. Srichand Parsuram Hinduja, has written one article on impact of COVID-19 on students. Global pandemic of COVID-19 has come out as alarming situation for entire world. It is a situation which was never forecasted or expected by anyone. The only solution as of now is just to avoid the meeting people and keep the cleanliness. And this is how the government of India has come out with the circular of completely closing down the India. As a result, 12,70,000 schools, 40,000 colleges and around 900 universities are shut. According to UNESCO, 290.5 million students are going to get affected in many ways. Howard Muckle commented that shutting them down can be a key part of slowing the spread of easily transmissible viruses so that hospitals are not overrun with sick people. Study on Japan's H1N1 flu in 2009 also came up with the same opinion that closing of schools and colleges really helped to prevent the spread of disease. The present research paper is an attempt to measure the level of impact on students due to COVID-19 and temporary closure of educational institutions. It's a well-known fact that a sizable number of population is residing in rural parts of India, and temporary closure of educational institutions means the rural students are getting lack of teaching as there is no remedy like online teaching and learning processes available to them. The educational institutions where practical work is more significant like pharmaceuticals fields, engineering, architecture, etc., the online lectures are not proving to be the correct way of teaching and learning. Around 120 million students from schools are provided midday meal on working days. India succeeded as this scheme is benefiting around 12,65,000 schools. It has also been noticed that in rural areas, the parents send their children to schools as they get midday meals, which make them healthy. The temporary closure of school is affecting the health of these children as the service is not taking place as it is required to. The parents are also at home. They find it difficult to fulfill the basic needs of the family members. This could be managed for few days. COVID-19 has created a situation where the students are neither in a position to focus on studies or on the other things as the situation is becoming more and more unexpected. Especially for the students who are in final year, they are worried that when they will get their final year degree and they will join their career. The current circumstances has created the fear and phobia in many forms. Many parents are not ready to send their children for further studies abroad, and at the same time, many students are also have dropped the idea of studying further in foreign countries. The impact of COVID-19 can be elaborated in 5 layers on students: lack of learning, lack of midday meal, lack of required outcome, mental trauma, and negative opinion on studies abroad. Though it has been found that the temporary closure of schools and colleges are affecting the students and the entire education system, but we should also think that if the schools and colleges are kept open, then the conditions might have become worse from bad. The current phase has transited the pattern of teaching learning process drastically, and it has become ritual teaching learning from the classroom teaching processes. Further, it could be said, students need to understand that technology has made it easy for them to explore to various fields which may help them to build their career. Internet has made the world so small that in fraction of second we can enter into any library to learn the things. Students can make use of this period on some research work, appearing for online tests, drafting their own study material, and can make survey on the career which they can join.